Good morning students and welcome back again. Yesterday we discussed the topic heating effect of electric current, right? So what is heating effect of electric current? When an electric current passes through an object, it heats up through which it flows. So this is known as the heating effect of electric current. But there are some drawbacks also. There are some drawbacks of heating effect of current. That means if excess current flows through the circuit, it results in overheating, and due to overheating, it results in the damage of those electrical appliances. It means when excess current passes through the object, it gets overheated and it can also catch fire also. So these are some drawbacks of heating effect of current. So is there any solution to this problem? Yes, there is a solution to this problem. Here comes the concept of what? Electric fuse. So first we need to know what is an electrical fuse. Fuse is a small device that we all have in our home to protect our devices from being blown out in case there is a sudden increase in the amount of electricity coming in our house. So what is a fuse? A fuse mainly works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. It is basically a thin wire made of a special material that has a low melting point. So this is what? This is a fuse. You can see in the picture also. Now it is placed somewhere in the circuit before the main device. You can look at this picture that all the electricity that goes to the main device travels through the fuse wire first. You can see in the picture also. Now, as long as a normal amount of electricity is passing through it, all is well, and the main device like our TV, they receive electricity and they function properly. Suddenly, if too much electricity comes through, what will happen? The fuse wire heats up and it melts down. Now when the fuse wire melts down, the circuit is broken. Then the electricity cannot reach the main device like our TV, and the TV stops working. So this is a great thing, don't you think so? Why? Because if that extra electricity that came in suddenly had gone into the TV, it would have broken the TV, damaged the TV, and we have to spend a lot of money to get a new one. But when the fuse is melted, what happens? The TV is saved, and all you have to do is just replace the fuse, which is very cheap and it is done very quickly. So your electrical appliances like TV, they won't get damaged. You just have to replace the fuse and your damage will be controlled. Not only that, sometimes too much current can even start a fire. It can also cause fire. Now, if two wires that are carrying electricity touch each other, then it's a problem. Normally, we have good insulation on the wires, but if the insulation has worn out and these metal wires comes in direct contact with each other, then a whole lot of electricity flows through them suddenly. As a result, what will happen? That heats them up a lot, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाता है. This is called what? Short circuit. उसके वजह से क्या होता है? Sparks fly and it can also cause fire. Even when too many things are connected to a single socket, you can see in the picture, वो क्या हो जाता है? Circuit overload हो जाता है and it can cause similar problem. So fuses are our superheroes who can save us from this sudden power surges and the accidents that can happen. So the fuses that we use in the house look somewhat different from the ones that we use in electrical devices. These days what we use MCBs instead of fuses. The picture somewhat looks like this, MCBs. The full form of MCB is what? Miniature circuit breaker. They have the similar job like fuses. They do the same job as fuses. When the current is more than the limit, they turn off and break the circuit. They do not have to be replaced, they just needs to be reset. So MCBs are more convenient than a fuse. फ्यूज़ क्या होता है? हर करंट का एक लिमिट रहता है. देयर इज़ अ लिमिट टू द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. जब वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो करता है, अगर वो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अपना लिमिट को एक्सीड कर जा रहा है, बढ़ जा रहा है, तो क्या हो जाता है? वो ऑब्जेक्ट ओवरहीट हो जाता है. और ओवरहीट होने के कारण वो ऑब्जेक्ट जो इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस है, जैसे कि टीवी, एयर कंडीशनर, गीज़र, ये सारा चीज़ें ओवरहीटेड होने के कारण क्या हो जाता है? डैमेज हो जाता है, ख़राब हो जाता है. एज वेल एज इन सम केसेस दे कैन कैच फायर ऑल्सो. तो इन सारी चीज़ों से बचने के लिए देयर इज़ अ सल्यूशन टू दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. तभी हम कंसेप्ट किसका आता है? फ्यूज़ का. इसी को कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़. एक ऐसा डिवाइस है, कभी भी करंट अगर एक्सीड कर जा रहा है नॉर्मल वैल्यू से, अपने लिमिट को क्रॉस कर जा रहा है, तो ये फ्यूज़ वायर क्या हो जाता है? मेल्ट होकर सर्किट को ब्रेक कर देता है. इसके कारण क्या हो जाएगा? एक्सेस करंट इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस तक नहीं पहुंच पाता है और टीवी, फ्रिज या एसी ख़राब नहीं होता है. सिर्फ फ्यूज़ का सर्किट ब्रेक हो जाता है, तो इसके कारण टीवी या एयर कंडीशनर, फ्रिज कुछ देर के लिए नहीं चलता है, लेकिन वो सारा अप्लायंसेस ख़राब नहीं होता है. सिर्फ फ्यूज़ को अगर हम लोग रिप्लेस कर देंगे तो फिर से हम लोग का वो सारा अप्लायंसेस चलना स्टार्ट करेगा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रिकल फ्यूज़.